Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional in today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, June the 26th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars. Well, actually, it's 2 stars. I will tell you later. We have here the Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and the binary. And these puzzles I'm not interested, uninterested. So we have here 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. This one, 6656. And before I start, I always count up 20 digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. A 3 stars puzzle has always 25. This one 26. So it should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have a 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between, second column, the only place left for the 7. Shoot it there. 7. 7. Well. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. 3. Let me scan. Need a 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So third column, only 3 places left on the 3 should be here, or there. You see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the row above, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Need 8 there. Need a 3 there. I'm scanning. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have a 4 and 8 in this column, so no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Wait. 1. Let me think. How about 7? Yeah, need a 5 here. Yeah, I'm still thinking. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright, now I can do something with the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here, 7 in this row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Okay. And now. 5. 1, 5, 9. Alright. We have an 8 here. 8 there. 8 here. Yeah. 8 here. 4 here. 2 here. Come on. 2 there. So we need a 2 here then. Need a 2 here. Three. Need a 3 here. 3 here. Need a 3 here. I'm thinking. Need a 4 here. 6. Ah, come on, I'm stuck. Need a 1 here. How about here? 6. We have a 4. No. We have a 5. Need a 5 here. Yeah, I'm scanning. Need a 2 here. 6. Come on. Let me put some numbers. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The only 3 place level 3 should be here or there. We share 3 in this row, no 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, the second row, the only 3 place level the 7 should be here or there. We share 7 in this column, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 2. No. 9. Come on. 4, 8. 7. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in the first column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 should be in one of these 3 boxes. 9 in one of these 3 boxes. In this column, 9 in the first column, so the column between. The only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see our 9 this one. No 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. The one. How about the 7? We got you the 7. 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4, could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8, could be here, could be there. 8. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8, could be here, could be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next on that column. The only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in the second row, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Come on. Let me see, is there a hidden number? This box can be a 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5, could be a 6. Cannot be a 7, can be an 8, could be a 9, 6 or 9, okay. Could be a 1, can be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, need a 5 here. 5. I'm stuck. Need a 6 here. 6. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 9, 6, 4, 9, 9. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 6, 4, 9. 6, 4, 9, 6, 4, 9, 6, 4, 9. And look, we have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. Here, 9, this row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. So 6 and a 4 are left. Okay. No 9 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 4. 4, no. 4. Come on. 3, 4, 7, 9. Need a 9 here. 6, 6, 6, 6. And 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Overlooked. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 is missing in the last row. Here can be 4 because we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here can be 4 because we have 4 in the first column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright, 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1, 2, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers are left in the first column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. Alright. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 supposed to be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. And look, we have... Oh, I thought we have a 9 here. 3, 9, 9, 9. 3, 3. 6. Could be everywhere. Yeah, 3, 6, 9. Need to wait. 3, 6, 9. Here. 3, 6, 9. Here can be a 3 because we have a 3 there, so it should be a 6 and a 9. So here we have a pair 6 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1. Yeah. 3, 3. Okay. So need a 3 here. 3, 3. But the 6 then. The 2. Do we have all the 2s? No. 2, 2. And here 2 and 9. Oh, we have 8 here. We have 8 in the third column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5. 5 should be there, and I've eliminated the 7. So the 7 goes there, and I've eliminated the 3, so 3 goes there. So 6 and the 9 are left. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 or 9, we have a 6 now in the third row, so this box should be a 9. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so no column next, now only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row up. Oh, we already have a 3 here. Alright. 7. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 box left in the last column for number the 1. 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. 1 box left in this column for number, I believe the 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So yeah, the column between the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright, finish in 18 minutes. Well. Told you need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.